Hey, everybody! Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain and also show you how you can share your post on Facebook, on Instagram. Friends, please don't forget to make sure to give this video a like before you start watching. Also subscribe to the channel and please write your comments. Let's get you and me get started. And please open up the Facebook app on your device. And then go to the menu section. Then at the top, please click on the gear so that you can open Settings. Now you will need to open the Meta Account Center. After which, please click on Please Share Profiles. Next, please select your Facebook profile. And here you will need to find your Instagram account at the bottom, and please select your Facebook publications and activate them. This way, you will in the future, always on a regular basis, share your Facebook publications automatically in Instagram. One more method how you could do this, but it only works once. To do this, please click on the home screen of your Facebook and then at the top go to Create a New Post. And when you're ready to add it next, don't forget to click on this Instagram sign right here at the top. And then, friends, turn that option on. So this one post, it will not only be added to you on Facebook, but also on Instagram. But keep in mind that for the future, you will have to, if you still want to do it, you will have to enable this option every time. That's how, dear friends, very easily and quickly you can share a Facebook post to Instagram. I hope the video has helped you. Please don't forget to put likes, write comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you all again.